Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by the Trip King. It's Puchabu.
Hey, Stibo, how's it?
I'm Nandi.
Kumnandi ubala.
Oh yeah, always.
Stibo ikembe mnandi. Ay, ngwakho. Stibo ikembe mnandi.
Leso baba.
Ikembe mnandi, ne?
Uthenga waya.
Yeah, thula ke ma.
Okay, so.
Yeah. Ikembe mnandi kakhulu.
Sure.
Le cup le iCarling Black Label. Mele sichinje sibize ishipezeze cup.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi lo muntu seka dope emalini.
All in all.
Yeah, all in all.
How much?
Yenza 700k manje. Ulanda million lo muntu ngama man of the match.
Ngala maqipa nje.
Look uyawathatha wakhumuza ezimu, uyawathatha wakhumuza ezimu. By the time sithi lo muntu uzabaqedile.
Yeah, mention.
Namhlanje I think bekuye I difference between I Pirates ne Magesi.
Yes.
I can tell you now, if it wasn't because of his saves, ngabe sibashaya bo 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So sebenze kakhulu.
Yes.
Umbutuma tried, and I'm happy ukuthi Umbutuma uchine up.
Yes.
Because you missed the penalty, and eventually the team was knocked out of ICAF, which is a serious tournament in the continent.
Yes.
But today you saw Mbutuma playing. So it means structure sikhona ku Orlando Pirates. So ukuthi psychologically, even if you are not doing well, they will sit you down bakutshela ukuthi mfana igame yebhola iso. So I was happy to see Mbutuma playing, and honestly speaking he could have scored 3-4 goals. What Dinoya uye uchipezeza. So masikule yeCAF.
Yes.
Uyazi la kune lona khona, la kunentuthu.
Yeah.
Kuzoba nomlilonyana.
Yes.
Ikhona into ethi ngathi akuhambanga kahle ngecoach ye Lupopo FC. Yeah, but because the Pirates keeper intel yayo very low.
Yes.
Akhona ama rumors athi ikhona appeal enziwe. Because apparently the chap was suspended for 6 games or so. So watholakala participate kulama game weCAF, of which according to his suspension he wasn't supposed to be there.
Yes.
For now, it's rumors and speculations because Pirates hasn't. We are as Pirates. I keep his indoji. Izobuyi Pirates say we won the case.
Yes.
But we are told ukuthi kusengenze ukuthi siyibambe madala side singene ngeback door.
Njenge Sundowns.
Sizongena siyayifuna. Yeah, if but na iback door siyangena Stibo. Yeah. Bakhona abantu abane-start today because of iback door.
Sundowns.
Yeah. Ne-AS Vita, not only Sundowns. Yeah, ne-AS Vita as well. So uma kungathiwa lo yamnyango wasemuva uvulekile siyangena Stibo.
Yeah.
Ibe buhlungu into yokuthi sinokwelaba abantu because we know that they didn't play igame fair.
Yes.
And Pirates doesn't just appeal. So kusho ukuthi mase appeal you would have went very far. Ukuthi bagcine sebathi baya appeal. So I'm fully behind, I'm 100% behind the Pirates.
No.
If you appeal khona nami ngeza ngithi asiyeni.
Sure.
Ngifuna ibe khona. Stibo kune game ye Sundowns yange weekend.
Yes.
Sundowns izokudlalela ngamanye ama game. Already they are saying sidlalela Lucas Moripe. Mawuthi sayibambe lapho bathi siya eLoftus.
Yes.
Mawuthi sayibambe lapho but no sesiya kuphi. Those are the main games as better as the Sundowns. And I think they need to change that strategy. It's not working.
Yes.
And they need to be told. Ngoba Sundowns will think ukuthi they have a superior logic masiza kulento zokudribulana. We are all South Africans siyadribulana sonke. Choose a game conducive for these big games.
Yes.
FNB na is vacant there. Go to FNB neke lama Mickey Mouse ukuthi siye Lucas Moripe. Laba sisa khona all the time. Istampede senye to an extent where players themselves, the Orlando Pirates, zizo struggle ukuthi zingene ngase grounding. Kulokuthiwa use that gate. Mabafika kule gate bathi go to that other gate. Mawufika kule gate but they did that with Pirates. Ba struggle for 30 minutes ukuthi bangene e grounding. So we are saying Man, it's just a league game.
Yes.
If sidliwe, if nidliwe. Namhlanje for about 20 or 30 minutes,
Yes.
They said tickets are sold out. And historically, it has been proven ukuthi we've got more support base than them.
Yes.
But I can tell you now, Pirates fans here don't have tickets. Yeah, we don't have tickets. How are we supposed to go to the stadium? Ngoba uma ngabe futhi ama fans aya lapha stadium angenama ticket kune potential ukuthi kungavuka chaos.
Yes.
And we don't want that.
Yes.
They must just release tickets that are available so that lot of Pirates supporters, because they don't have supporters. They must be told. Sundowns should be told. Abantu, they are scared of talking about Sundowns. They do not have supporters. Lama ticket abawakhiphele lama fan wabo. They must bring back those tickets to Pirates. Ngoba they don't have. Ama Pirates akwazi ukuthenga. Pirates people have been on their queue. I think for about 20 minutes sizama ukuthenga ama ticket lokuthi you are on a queue you are no. Obviously bavalele system ukuthi singakwazi ukuthenga. So they must release those tickets.
Yes.
Because I can tell you now nge-weekend bayoshawa futhi. Yeah, bayoshawa futhi. I-Pirates lama 2 games in hand.
Yes.
One of that game will include a game esizoyidlala ne-Sundowns. We have said it ukuthi sehamba kahle ngohlelo manje.
Yes.
You see, angithi history yakufundisa Steve ukuthi awenze izinto obudlapha.
Yeah.
So we are now saying one game at a time.
Yeah.
Game ye Sundowns is a one game at a time.
Yes.
On Saturday.
Yes.
And definitely we are going to win that game.
Yeah.
That 3 points, it's in the bag, victory is certain.
Yeah.
Into ekumele bayenze bona they must bangashintshi kusasa bathi sebashintshe stadium futhi.
Yeah.
If basinikeza i-Loftus mabasinikeza i-Loftus and ba-allow imvula izinele bangatheli imvula yabo.
True.
They must just allow the proper rain like imvula namanje izinele and then we'll come to the game siwin game. So man of the match yam namhlanje kuzaba u-Apolis.
Yeah.
U-Apolis is coming okay.
Yeah.
Sekayakhona ukuthwala i-team ayibeke emahlombe. You have players like Abu Rile Mufukeng abekho.
Sure.
But at least so yazi ukuthi uRile makangekho. You've got a serious individual brilliance within the team.
Yeah.
Apolis bayakhona ukuthi let me take the responsibilities, push team sise phambili. I don't know kwenzakalani ngoChina yini emhluphayo. But I'm saying wherever he is alungise whatever emhluphayo ngoba akusu China engimaziyo mina. I need to be honest. So ngithi China boy wherever you are fix whatever that is happening. Ngoba uChina engimaziyo mina ngiyamaza akavumi nokuthi goal lingene noma ikanjani. This goal elingene la that thing was not supposed to be a goal. So Steve siyabonga ama fans we Pirates maweze kodwa iSundowns may release ama ticket so that the fans can come in numbers.
And Butchabo, we must also be sure if Loftus has been booked.
Yeah.
They were going to play Skukun. You still remember at Murip?
Yeah.
They didn't book the stadium by that particular time.
Yeah.
There's a lot of incidents where Abotandi, they are being harassed by Sundowns. They block the gate for a whole visitors.
And when we raise these things, Stibo, they will always say Pirates are taking them. Yeah, Pirates all the time when they speak about the. No, it was not us. It was not us. It was Chiefs. It was Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Oh, is this team? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes.
What is this?
Lena, he has explained. Yeah, he has explained. Lana, I don't have to say anything. Yeah, sizosibeka sischeck. No ngiyabonga Steve.
Thank you for your patience.